Hello guys, good morning. I hope each and every one of you is keeping well and fine. So it's been a couple of days since I've uploaded any vlog. The reason why I haven't uploaded any vlog is because I was not feeling well and I couldn't move about much, so I was just laying on my bed trying to move as minimal as possible. So this morning I woke up feeling a little bit better. I've tied this scarf around my stomach as suggested by my cousin sister. She's a doctor in Tinsang, so she has prescribed me some medicines also. So I'll be taking those medicines and I'm feeling a little bit positive today, and I feel that in the coming days, in a couple of days, I'll be well and fine. So I have not planned any content for today. I have not planned anything for today, so we'll just keep the camera rolling and let's see how this today turns out to be. Chalo, let's get this vlog started. Quite hot outside. As you can see, it's really very sunny, and I don't know what we'll be able to do, what kind of work we'll be able to do out in the sun today. So let's see. Mom called us for lunch. Let's see what's for lunch today. Nice. What is this? Tita kuti, chutney, some boiled green leaves. What's here? Pork. This is also, I think this is also some bones pork. Chalo, let's have, and I'll catch up with you guys after lunch. Two of my pork and collar. Fine by two of my. 包我这多久？Dried yam leaves with meat. It's very tasty. So I'm gonna have lunch now. In our language we call this kinkasi. Bitter balls. The focus is not good. So bitter balls. So we'll be having this for lunch, and after lunch I'll catch up with you guys. Just done with my lunch. That was a very chakas meal. No need to wash my plate, I guess. I'll just have to keep it. I'll go and wash mine now. We'll catch you up after that. So this is boss number one. Kaisa China khaiti. Aman khaisa mui talo de thagi. Tana de thagi. Bhalo kana. Aja mamma cha. हाँ अम्मा मुझे खाइसे की सब्जी खाइसे Kauri. So I'm done with lunch and I'm resting for a while, after which I'll be going to the PHC to get my medication and also to get my the vaccination card for my daughter. We forgot to take it last time, so they didn't enter, so we had to give it the next day to enter it, so we'll be going and getting it today. Come Adya, come. Say hi. It seems like it's going to rain. Earlier it was very sunny, and now look at the clouds. It's dark. Oh, mom is making tea. I think green tea. This is green tea. Yes. So okay, Ainla, you're drinking the tea. How is it? Good. Okay. So these are the homemade green tea mom has been making for some time. She's already packed it. During lockdown, she started making all these things. See, if you can see. Wow. Organic green tea here. So that was what my mom has been doing during this lockdown. She has been keeping herself busy. So yes, basically these are the tea plants from where she plucks the leaf and makes it into green tea. Yes, my late father actually started a tea plantation here, but since there was no one to look after it, she made it into a residential area. So if you, as you can see, if you look over here, everywhere there are some tea plants scattered here and there, the remaining tea plants. So my mom, she plucks those leaves and she makes it, processes it herself and makes it into tea leaves, yes, chapata. So I've tested it a couple of times and it's quite good. So if you guys happen to visit, I'll definitely let you guys taste and you can be the judge of whether it's good or not good. Earlier in the morning the sun was shining and it was very hot, and now look at the weather. It's drizzling and it's all foggy. So there's nothing much we can do today. We're inside the house. I'm with my big boss here. My eldest daughter, she's playing. So we're playing together. Adia, come here. Pass the ball. Pass. Very good. So we're playing. No, Hazel, no. Come here, Hazel. So nothing much and enjoying this beautiful weather. Hello guys, so I'll be ending the vlog from here. We didn't do anything much today. We just stayed at home since the weather also was not good. I planned to go to the PHC, but since it started raining, I didn't want to take the risk of going out in the rain and getting sick, so just stayed at home. But I got a very good news that the chicks, they'll be delivering in 1 or 2 days, so that's a very good news. And also I've got the news that I've ordered some things online, so those things have already reached Dimapur, and very soon it'll be delivered to me. So I'm really excited and I'll be unboxing it online. So if you guys want to be a part of that video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell. And yes, I'll be signing off for now. We'll meet in the next vlog. Until then, stay at home, stay safe.